Give your job shop a new business advantage with the Sinumerik 828D CNC. Achieve easier and faster part production. Monitor and manage operations more effectively by taking full control of your shop floor communications. Machine networking and archiving are simplified using either USB, compact flash, or Ethernet connections. You can establish a company-wide network to share part programs and more. Accelerate information flow with copy and paste simplicity. Part programs can be posted and shared instantly. Manage the flow of training programs, instructions on part program writing, and new software updates. So give your job shop a new business advantage by taking control of your shop floor communications. Seeing is believing with the Sinumerik 828D CNC.